Hi. Hi, kitty. Hey, Nana. You keeper of the feed. All right, good job. All right, we're out in the frozen tundra, the Arctic blast, the polar vortex, whatever everyone's calling it now. Making sure our animals stay as warm as possible. We have them facing certain ways, so how the wind is coming this way, so it helps. And there's 2 of them. Make sure we're giving them hay every single day. We actually are able to get organic hay that we can, they'll eat and let on, and then it breaks down in my garden, which works out really good. So you want to make sure that they have plenty of hay to help keep them warm. Of course, pigs have lots of fat, so that also helps. We're out here feeding and watering them twice a day. Usually it's the husband and our oldest that is doing most of the work, but today I had to come out here and do that. So we're just out feeding the pigs, making sure everyone's warm, again getting fresh water twice a day at least, and making sure their bedding is nice and lovely. So brush off my hay. So luckily the pumps work for the water, which is good. And then here's the piggies. Let's go say hi. We have Blondie over there. That's my main squeeze right there. They're being very piggy, and of course they're eating like pigs, I guess. No manners. There's Hazel. She's in the cooking club, right? Blondie. Mama. Alright. You can snap it for us.
Oh, that's a man. The dog.
Frank, get back in there. Come on, get back in. Come on, boys. Let's go feed. Do a little styrofoam crunch. It's so cold. It's been so cold. You hear that? I'm walking on styrofoam. The trees are beautiful. Of course, I'm sure the camera can't capture it. When the wind gust comes along, it's like trees are so frozen. It's like frozen popsicles just dancing in the sky.